are we are at the Cox residence. Carrier is paying to replace this front slope here, so we're going to check the overlapping conditions before repair day to get ahead of any issues we might run into during tear off. So I'm going to pull a few pieces of these ridge cap and expose what the overlapping conditions are on the roof. See what we're running into here. It's like the bonding strips is what's keeping it from coming apart. Those are not coming apart that easy. That's going to be issue number one. Alright. You can see if you look close up, this bonding strip was adhered so well that it ripped the other part of the shingle apart. Instead of coming apart at the sealant strip, it ripped everything that it was adhered to. So that's going to be challenge number one, because it's going to be a cascading effect. That ridge cap is damaged now, so it's gonna happen to the next one, and so on and so forth. So challenge number one, and then let's keep going. Now it looks like when they redid the back slope, they added a row of shingles to the front slope. So we're gonna cut into that and find out exactly where they terminated it. Alright. Okay, got the bonding strip undone. Now, immediately we can see the challenges we were running into with the ridge cap are cascading down from the bonding strip on the new shingle onto the old shingle. So it's ripped those old shingles. So that's going to be a ongoing issue throughout the roof when it comes to these newer shingles on the back. So we can also see that the 3-tap shingles on the front run under the underlayment and the shingles on the back side. So when the front slope comes off, it's going to take the underlayment with it. Remember, this goes 3 feet down. The underlayment comes in 3 feet rolls. So that's going to be all the way down here. And then the shingles, this bottom shingle here is all the way up to here. So remember, the sealant strip, when this comes off, which we can demonstrate real quick, because the shingle is going to come off with this back slope here. So let's just demonstrate how that sealant strip separates. Exact same result. It's ripped all the material, and so from one little issue we're running into here, it's going to cascade all the way downward. So every shingle has two shingles staggered below it, and that's going to cascade all the way down because of that material transfer issue. So running into multiple problems on what we're going to do with this front slope. We can't tear it off without causing some massive damage to the back slope. This is the proper tool that the manufacturer says to separate these shingles with. Some bonding strip technologies are better than others. This one's really great. As you can see, it was meant to be pretty permanent. So there's no way to perform this repair without causing a massive amount of damage. We're going to go ahead and tarp this up today because we don't want to get ourselves into a further bad situation.